The client is here in 9 minutes. Do we actually know if Gen Z will like this campaign?
I have a cousin who's 14.
A 14-year-old cousin.
I mean, she's very online. She got 200 followers.
I've been in marketing for 11 years. I'm completely fine.
But she says the campaign was mid.
We're pitching a 500K campaign based on Sam's cousin.
What are we going to do with your cousin? Guys. Guys.
No, that's 70.
Guys.
Interesting.
What's Ruuwe?
AI platform. Test your entire creative audience before you launch with AI personas. And while you were explaining Metaverse to Janet from accounts, I ran our entire marketing campaign this morning through it. I suggested predictive marketing 8 months ago. The decks in the email I sent, which nobody opened. 94 personas, Gen Z, millennials, boomers, 12 global markets, engagement scores, drop-off points, sentiment breakdowns, results in 3 minutes.
We're not showing this to German market.
Already removed them.
I once pitched the German market. I will not be elaborating.
Are you guys ready for the presentation?
Ready. I'll walk you through exactly how this performs. By market, by demographic, and which second your audience stops watching.